My bakery, it's chocolate bakery. This is my recipe. It's sugar cookie, but it has this special vanilla bean paste. So it's a little bit stronger flavor. My mom, she loves to cook. ¿Verdad, mami? A mamá le gusta like they love baking. She used to like decorate big cakes, like wedding cakes in Mexico. I don't know what is this.
This is you guys in Mexico.
I was born in Mexico. I moved up here in Boardman when I was 15. And I've been here for more than 26 years. I have a big family. My parents had 6 kids, 3 girls and 3 boys. My parents decided to bring everybody from Mexico, and it was a big change. So it was hard. Now this is my home. My family is here.
Hello.
Hello. What do you have for lunch today?
Oh, cheesy breadsticks are the best.
Alberto, he's my wild child. He loves to chat a lot.
And then you dip it in marinara sauce. Delicious.
He helped me around here. He's the one that does the boxes, make sure the labels are correct.
All of this is where the main supplies is here. So like all the ingredients, all the packaging, everything here. So this is like this weird, it's like a printer but for cookies. You insert some cookies onto this tray, and all of a sudden when you put it in, bam, bam, bid, bam, somehow it comes out with a cookie with a printed out logo. My mom prints out these cookie cutters, which is one right here, to get a specific mold of a cookie.
You want to take them?
Yeah. Wait, where to?
Inside.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're done.
Do, 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 do.
Are you gonna need help tomorrow?
Yes. It's been 3 years baking inside my house. I have my little corner. And then when I switched to the cookies, that was the big hit.
I don't think she ever meant to start doing cookies. Now she would rather do cookies than do cakes. I see them as art.
I like seeing my customers happy when they come back a year after. Or when I do the baby shower and they come back for the first year. I'm like, this is so cute, you know? Like, that's what I love. The ideas come from the customers. I always tell them, let me know if you have a special design you want. Crystal from AWS. She's like, hey, will you want to do cookies for a Girls Tech Day? And I'm like, sure, you know, why not?
In 2021, I had the opportunity to work with Alma. She baked cookies for our very first big space that I launched.
You're excited to go and drop them off?
Yeah.
Yeah? When I did the first order for AWS, it really impacted my business. It's my first big order for a Girls Tech Day. It's gonna be 200 cookies, cute designs. I can't wait.
Welcome to Amazon Web Services Girls Tech Day out here in Eastern Oregon.
So today we're hosting girls to teach them about technology, to inspire them to want to pursue a career in technology.
I feel excited, to see my cookies there and have all these people here. I can't wait to see the girls' faces. Alberto, he loves technology, so he's really excited. How did you see he's over there? Every time I take an order, it's a challenge for me. Sometimes I get scared to say yes, but then it's like, no, Ma, you can do it.
I don't think she even realizes how much it means to other people, the things that she does. The work that she does and being able to have other people tell you, oh, your sister's amazing. It's like, well, it's a win for the family. That makes me proud. We are that American dream. She is that American dream.
My thing is like getting someday something outside my house and have it set up a little bit bigger. I want to start shipping where I can just take in orders but still kind of do my design and do classes, bring the kids, that way kind of like an after-school program, decorating cookies or even cakes for the community, especially older people. That's one of my big dreams.